A parade of elephants. Look! Elephants! One, two, three, four, five. Five elephants marching. Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A parade of elephants. Big and round they are. Big and round they go. Up, down. Those are opposites. Up, down. Can you think of another set of words that are also opposites? What about the opposite for big? Small or little. Over, under. They're going over the river, and then they're going under the trees. What's another opposite? Loud. What's the opposite of loud? Quiet. In, out. They march, and they march, and they march. They march all day. If you marched all day, how would you be feeling? I think I'd be exhausted. Oh. And when the day is done, they are done too. They yawn and stretch. They stretch and yawn. But before they sleep, they lift their trunks. And they trumpet, scattering stars across the sky. I didn't know elephants could make stars come out of their nose. That's pretty cool. Good night. See you guys again tomorrow.